In a remote village, time isn't marked by ticking clocks but by the melodious calls of a single bird species, redefining how we perceive timekeeping. Instead of relying on mechanical devices, villagers have attuned their lives to the rhythm of these birds, whose songs signal the passage of hours and the changing of seasons. Each dawn is announced by the bird's morning trill, midday by its high-pitched chirps, and dusk by a soothing lullaby, guiding daily activities in perfect harmony with nature. This unique symphony of life challenges our conventional clocks, offering a glimpse into an ancient way of living where time flows with the cadence of the natural world. It's a mesmerizing reminder that, in some corners of the earth, life is still beautifully synchronized with the environment, blurring the lines between time and nature in a way that feels almost magical.